Goat. Goat.
This. Oh, sweet. Yeah, feed this one. This one wants some food. Yeah. You want to feed this one? This one wants some food. Yeah. Oh, he's... Yeah. You like these ones, huh?
Fuzzy goats.
Yeah, they're nice goats, huh? You want to feed them some more? Yeah, they're goats. Goats. Yeah, that's a black goat, huh? You got all different colors of goats out here.
I wonder why we pay to feed their goats. It's Guy. He says Guy all the time.
Yeah, they just want food, buddy. They don't really want you to pet them.
Hey.
Another one. You want to feed him another one? Another one? Oh, and here's another one. Yeah. There's a lot of food that's been dropped down here.
Yeah, I don't even have to pay for it. Except that you get out of the food first.
Yeah, well, you have to wash your hands anyway.
Oh, good girl.
Ezra, you want to feed him some more? Oh, sweet. Aren't they sweet? Oh, not so much. Ezra, you want to feed him?
Do that one some. Yeah, you're behind.
They're cows.
Yeah, it's a cow.
See the cow.
Yeah, cow.
Cow. Yeah.
Hi, cows.
There's a llama.
Yeah.
Oh, please. Oh, please, Papa. Twist it on.
Hey, now you have to do it for the camera. This is baby on sugar.
You want to twist the cap on? Uh-oh, yeah, right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's wrong?